Aw man, my super cool mini keeps falling over. I can't use a bigger base because my game uses a 25 millimeter.
Are your minis making you as sad as your love life?
Hey man, not cool.
Then you need to get Lincoln Base.
Okay, what's a Lincoln base?
Lincoln Bases are designed to make your awesome Big Head Boy mini stay aloft as you game. No more party fouls of knocking your mini over into someone's drink and having it spill all over their character sheet.
Okay, that has never happened.
Shut up, yes it has! All you need is a Lincoln base and a penny. Simply insert the penny into the base and boom! Your mini stays aloft.
Wow! Thanks, Lincoln base!